What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Keith from PMD. I got my Aimgain gear on. Just got a brand new shipment of Aimgain gear. And you know what? I think this week is about Aimgain. Why do I say it's about Aimgain? Because today I'm going to be installing an Aimgain body kit on a customer's Infiniti. This kit's been sitting with me for probably about over a year. He was deployed overseas, and because I want to support those who protect the country, I told him no worries, I'll hold it for you. He just got back into town a couple of weeks ago. He got the car dropped off today. So you're gonna come along with me on this journey as I install this Aimgain body kit, because I think it's important for me to show you what it's like so you can be a part of the experience. So when you're ready to start building your car, you're ready to place that order, hey, at least you know where to go, because I've been there with you. So come along with me. I'm gonna go ahead and get the back bay opened up. I'm gonna get the car pulled in, do a little brief walk around, and then we'll get the process started.